If you are a busy woman who wants to look polished, feminine and professional without spending hours styling your hair every morning, this video is for you. Welcome back to Shula's Fashion World. Today, we're talking about something every working woman needs. Beautiful hairstyles that are practical, elegant, and protective. Because looking professional isn't only about your clothes. Your hairstyle can completely transform the way your entire appearance comes together. The perfect working woman hairstyle should ideally give you three things: elegance, practicality, and comfort. So let's get into some of the most beautiful hairstyle ideas to consider for 2026 and 2027. First, let's talk about sleek low buns. A sleek low bun is one of those timeless hairstyles that can instantly make an outfit look more polished. It works beautifully with blazers, dresses, shirts, and other professional outfits. The key is not necessarily making the style extremely tight. A polished hairstyle should still be comfortable. You can also add a clean middle or side part depending on the shape of your face and your personal preference. Next, consider sophisticated braids. Braids are an excellent option for busy women because they can reduce the amount of daily manipulation required. Current protective style trends are also moving toward versatility, comfort, and lower tension styling. For work, however, the goal is to choose braid designs that look refined rather than overly complicated. Medium-sized braids, neat knotless braids, elegant braided buns, and simple braided ponytails can all create a sophisticated appearance. Another beautiful option is the classic ponytail. Don't underestimate a simple ponytail. When the hair is neatly arranged and the overall look is intentional, a ponytail can look incredibly chic. You can wear a sleek low ponytail for a formal office environment, or create a softer, fuller ponytail for a more relaxed workplace. Now let's talk about twists. Twists can be an excellent choice for women who want a protective style while still having different styling possibilities. You can wear them down, put them into a bun, create a ponytail, or pin them into an elegant updo. And this is an important lesson when choosing a protective hairstyle. Versatility matters. If one hairstyle can give you several different looks throughout the week, it can save you time and make your routine much easier. Another important factor is maintenance. A working woman doesn't always have time to completely restyle her hair every morning. That's why low-maintenance hairstyles can be incredibly valuable. The best hairstyle isn't necessarily the most complicated one. Sometimes, the simplest hairstyle is the one that makes you look the most sophisticated. Think about your schedule. Do you have early meetings? Do you commute? Do you travel frequently? Do you spend most of your day in an office? Do you attend professional events after work? Your lifestyle should influence your hairstyle choice. And let's not forget about your outfit. One of the easiest ways to look expensive is to make your hair and clothing work together. For example, a sleek bun can complement a structured blazer beautifully. Long braids can work with a simple, elegant dress. A polished ponytail can complement a blouse and tailored trousers. The goal is balance. If your outfit is already very dramatic, you may want a cleaner hairstyle. If your outfit is simple, your hairstyle can become one of the main features of your look. Another important consideration is comfort. Protective styling should not mean ignoring your scalp or edges. A style that is excessively tight may look beautiful initially, but discomfort is a sign that something needs to be reconsidered. Choose styles that allow you to feel confident without unnecessary tension. And finally, remember that professional does not mean boring. You can absolutely express your personality while maintaining an elegant appearance. You can experiment with parting, texture, braid size, accessories, and different updos while keeping the overall look polished. So, if you're building your working woman hairstyle collection for 2026 and 2027, focus on styles that are elegant, practical, versatile, and comfortable. Don't simply choose a hairstyle because it's trending. Choose one because it fits your lifestyle. And if you had to choose only one hairstyle from today's inspiration, which one would you wear to work? Tell me your favorite in the comments. If you enjoyed this guide, subscribe to Shula's Fashion World for more elegant African fashion, beauty and luxury style inspiration. Remember, looking expensive isn't always about wearing more. Sometimes it's about choosing the right details. I'll see you in the next video.
Shula's braids, where the magic starts. Healing crowns and happy hearts. Every twist, every line so neat. Confidence rising from your head to your feet. Gentle hands with a gold